this is Ben at Truly Simple Solutions, and we're taking a look at the new version of FlatRatePro. And what's new with it is, well, this home screen, and it's got Quickbooks integration added to it for QuickBooks with Windows, which, by the way, I am running this on a Macintosh. As you can see, it's right over here. But yeah, so it's not a problem to run it on a Mac. It's just you do have to run something, and I'm running VMware Fusion. So we're going to take a look at a few of the features of it. May not cover it all in this video, but let's go for it. So clients, if you want to add a client or look up clients that are already in QuickBooks, that's something you can do. And if we were to go to, let's say, this customer, actually, this one right here. So let's just go here and we will just try to add him to QuickBooks because we think he's not there. And we say OK. And then it's going to tell us there's an error because the name Alex Boxworth is already in the list in QuickBooks. So when someone's already there, so generally you'll look up first. So I'm just doing that to show that. So if we look him up, it links it direct. If you try to look someone up that's not there, then it's going to not find it, which means you should just go ahead and add it. So would I like to search other name variations? So it's only going to find exact matches, which, to make sure they're the same. So we can search for other names, so it's just another way to look. And if I was to look up, say, Ted, we could see if there's any Teds. No Teds. And any Fletchers or beginning with Fletcher. And there's not. But you can see how this, just to see how this works. If we look up someone who's there, well, yes, but we don't want to link Ted Fletcher to him. So we're going to click Cancel. And we're just going to add Ted Fletcher. And when you add him, you can then, anytime something's in FlatRatePro that's in QuickBooks, it'll show the logo, and you can just click it, and it'll take you to that record inside of QuickBooks. You can see he's been added, and he's right there in our list of customers. But what if you've got more and you don't want to have to do them one at a time? Well, you can go to QuickBooks Customers. You can either find a list of records, like you may have your whole customer list that hasn't been added to QuickBooks. So you can create new QuickBooks customers based on a list. The existing found clients, you would find all the ones that were not in QuickBooks, and then you can post them. And how do you do that? I'm not going to do that, but I'm going to show you how to find them. You can hit Control F or click the Find up there, and then just click QuickBooks Posted, hit Enter. Now I found all of them that are posted, but if I click up here, I'll find the omitted ones. And you can see I have 7 that are not QuickBooks posted. So I could then say, create new ones, but some of these may already be in there. So I'd recommend you find the existing ones first. And I'm going to unfind that group. So we're looking at all the clients again, 45. And we just want to be in clients and then just say, find QuickBooks customers and sync with existing clients. So we want to check, is there any there that we can sync up? And then it tells you about to look up all the clients that are not yet marked as QuickBooks posted. And any clients that exist in QuickBooks as customers will be linked. So go for that. And it found 7. It brings you to the list. And it shows in the list now, it's got a little light for when they're QuickBooks posted. So if I click Show All Clients, you can see now all of the clients are linked to QuickBooks. So any invoices or quotes we do for them will be posted. Now let's go back there and we'll jump over to quotes. Okay, here's a quote that was created on an iPad. It's got a mobile number there by Joe Blow. And if we want to post a quote, these default entries of default tax and stuff, just like in the clients, these QuickBooks terms codes, so like this one we could have added that terms code to that client. You want to have those as a default. That client was created before a terms code was done. But the terms codes are in preferences, and they're going to show up when you create a new client. So if I created a new client, you can see due on receipt is the default terms code. Just like, and I'll delete that, in quotes, these things are going to autofill from your preferences. So to post this quote, which we'll post into QuickBooks as an estimate, we just click post and it's done. Go to QuickBooks and you can see it's our estimate as we posted, and it's marked for Winnie the Pooh. And we'll just jump down Winnie the Pooh right there so we can see. So that's the estimate. We can see the balances. It's not affecting our balance due. He's got $94.33 due. But we want to go ahead and it also shows we had a sold invoice on that estimate. So we'll jump over there. And we want to post that to QuickBooks. Now that's there. And if we just jump back over there, I could click that, but I want to see it here. You can see now his balance is up and he's got this new invoice there. Pretty slick. It's nice to be able to just have these come in from the iPad all set up and post them. But then what about the payment? Well, we've got a payment that's paid. We better post that too. Okay, and we'll go take a look. There's our payment. Comes in, it shows the items that were paid. And now you can see his balance is back down to $94.33. This will save you tons of entries in your accounting just by using FlatRatePro and using it. The other thing that you'll want to be posting, of course, so that it all works, you've got to have your items posted. And you can see, like, this is an item that was posted. I want to take a look at it in QuickBooks. And what they're doing is it's posting as a service item, service type. And it's going to post it to the default sales revenue account. I happen in this sample QuickBooks file have a lot of revenue accounts for different categories. You can use classes as well. But yeah, so that's pretty much the basics. We'll probably do some more videos showing some other stuff. Oh yeah, I'll show you one more thing on the QuickBooks. You can also do the same like with tasks. Let's fit that in this video. Create new QuickBooks service items from existing found task, or like with the clients, create QuickBooks service items and synced with existing current tasks. So if you already have some in QuickBooks, you can sync it. And you could also do imports and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and find a group of tasks that we want to add that hopefully isn't added already. So why don't I just we'll find the ones that are posted. And now we'll look at the omitted ones. So now we're looking at tasks that are not posted. And I'll jump at it and look at it in a list. So I'll just pick a category, just so I don't send them all right now, since I want to wait on that. Okay, it looks like oil furnaces. Furnaces, oil, thermopride. Okay, so let's just find those. We can go into find mode. Oh, hold on. We want to copy that first. Maybe we should have taken it while we were there. Okay, we'll do something else. We'll get these gas downflow, okay. So that's what we want to do, is just add all those furnaces gas downflow. So we're going to copy that. Then we're going to go into find mode. And we're already there, so then we paste hit enter. And that would be the group. So then we'll go ahead and jump to this. You can see they're not QuickBooks posted because it would be lit up. And we need to set the income account for these. That's going to be sales HVAC install. And now we want to set that on all of the records. So I'm going to enter in there, and I'm going to hit, well, I can hit Control equals, but just to show you on the menu, replace field contents. So we want to replace all the found records with sales HVAC install because we found the furnaces. And then we can say replace, because you've got to have a sales account or it's going to have an error. QuickBooks Class is only used if you have Premier or Enterprise versions of QuickBooks, which in this test case I'm using QuickBooks Pro, so it would error if I chose that. And now instead of individually posting them all, I'll just go ahead and use that menu item and say service items, create new QuickBooks service items for the existing found tasks. It tells me what I'm about to do. And I say OK. You can see them flying in there. 29 tasks added to QuickBooks as new service items in 5 seconds. So this is going to save us a hell of a lot of work working between FlatRatePro and QuickBooks. And I want to thank you all very much for your support of our project, and come back again soon to see some more videos from Truly Simple Solutions.